Honey, we're moving. What? Mom, I don't want to move. Especially when Sister's sick. Honey, I'm sorry, but we have to move. I don't have enough money to afford this place. But, Mom, what if I don't make any new friends, honey? When we moved here, you made plenty of friends. So I'm sure when we move to the other place, you will make more friends, okay? Let's go. Like, right now, just pack and go? Yes, honey. Well, that's just... We can't even wait a week or so. Yes, honey, we have to move now. I have to pay rent in a couple of days. Well, we will wait a couple of days. She doesn't understand. Come on, sweetie. I'm gonna go help you pack. Is everybody all packed? Yes, Mom. Let's go before I change my mind. Well, if you change your mind or not, we're still moving. Now, where's your sister? I'll go get her. Come on, sis. It's time to go. Mom, are we, like, driving the whole way? Yes, dear. We are driving the whole way. That's, like, gonna take ages. Oh, my God. Many hours later. Are we here yet? Yes, honey, we are, actually. All done unpacking. I love my new room. Well, I'm going to bed now. She's not even going to stay awake for dinner. Well, might as well all of us go to bed then, unless you're hungry, Lily. No, I'm not hungry. I'm tired. Okay, honey, let's go get you to bed. I've got it. Yes, hello? Hello, Miss Lisco. Who is this? I can't tell you. All I can tell you is you need to leave your house now. I'm not leaving for anything, you weirdo. Your boss told me to take this call. He said if you don't go on this super mission, we will take you to a top secret agency where nobody else will know you're there and keep all of you hostage and kill your kids. Okay, I'll do it. Just don't hurt my kids. Where to? Where do I need to go? I sent you an email. Just follow the directions that I have given you, and I will be there, waiting for you. Leave your kids behind. They can't come with you. But my kids, where am I supposed to take them? Maybe put them in an orphanage. But you might return. But we aren't exactly sure yet. Okay. Does it matter what day I come? You have to be here at least by tonight. Or really early in the morning. Okay. I'll try my hardest to get there. Bye.